In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the blanket stitch to create a leaf. Here is an example done in tapestry wool. So it makes the veins of the leaf and then also a little edge border around the shape of the leaf. So I have a little outline I'm going to start with, and I'm going to come up at the bottom near the center. And then I'm going to go back down close to that point and come up on my outline and catching the floss under my needle and pulling it through. Kind of looks like a lazy daisy stitch, but instead of anchoring it up here, we're going to come back down here and back up on the leaf outline. And just keep moving up the center vein and the outside edge. And try to equally space them. All right, so now we have half the leaf, and we will continue down the other side. Okay, so now I'm down at the bottom, and I can just take my floss to the back, anchor that last stitch. And if you'd like, you can stitch up the center to create that center vein. You can also do the same process, but have your stitches be really close together, and then that's more of a full leaf, or more of a filled in leaf. So that's how you do blanket stitch to create a leaf.